Do you ever wish that you could give your friend or loved one a back massage that they'll love, but have no idea how to? Stay tuned. Welcome back to Galeano Massage. I'm Sarah Galeano, and today we are going to do a back massage routine with instruction. If you've never given massage before, do not worry. Just make sure that you and the person receiving the massage are both medically clear to give or receive the massage. If you don't know if you are clear to give it, be sure to consult with your medical professional before giving or receiving this massage. Just a few contraindications: if there are any bruises, open wounds, bacterial or fungal infections. If you're ready to get started, let's hop over to the video. Take half a tablespoon of your favorite body oil and do long glides on both sides of the back. I am using an organic coconut oil. You can find the link in the description box down below. Let's do alternating glides, both sides of the back, using the hands in synchronization. Communicate with the person receiving the massage how much pressure they would like. Could they use more or less pressure? Let's do a two-handed glide on one side of the spine. Now we are going to do kneading motion on one side of the spine, picking up as much tissue as we can in between our hands. Moving into kneading of the upper trap. Move to the side of the table of the part of the back that you are working on, and let's do a two-handed glide. You can do supported hand or two hands side by side, and do glides around the shoulder blade. Now we will look for knots in the upper part of the back, and we will apply pressure for at least 10 seconds, thumb pressure or finger pressure. Now smooth that out with glides. Now we are doing a kneading motion down the paraspinals. Take your two thumbs and squeeze as much tissue, picking up the tissue in between the two thumbs. This is a glide of finger pressure that goes down the side of the spine. Now smooth out the back and let's connect the two together with long glides. Move to the other side of the back. Do two-handed glides. Now we are going to do the kneading motion on this side of the spine, picking up as much tissue as you can in between the two hands and moving into kneading of the upper trap. Now we are going to do two-handed glides on this side of the back. Now do glides on the side of the scapula. Now we are going to do finger pressure with either our thumbs or our fingers on the knots that we find in the upper back, holding for at least 10 seconds. Do not stay in the same spot. Try to find different knots in the upper back. Now let's smooth this out with supported hand gliding along the side of the shoulder blade. Now we will do kneading of the paraspinals with our thumbs, picking up as much tissue in between the thumbs as we are kneading down the spine. Now we are going to do a glide down the side of the spine with our fingers supported. When you get to the sacrum, you can do a sacral hold. Now let's smooth out this side of the spine and the back with long glides, two-handed or one-handed, depending on the size of the person. Now let's connect the two, doing long glides down both sides of the back. Thanks for joining me on this back massage routine with instruction. I hope that it was easy to follow and that it felt great for the one receiving the massage. If this video helped you out in any way, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing because I do have a lot more good content in mind for you guys. Just a question, do you own a massage gun? Many people do, but never get it out after the first week because they have no idea how to use it. If this sounds like you, check out this video that I made for you. It's a full complete routine featuring a massage gun for the neck, shoulders, and upper back.